So you shot a video and it was amazing. So you went to your editing room and saw that there is actually an unwanted subject or object that you don't want. Well, don't worry, you can easily fix that in both After Effects and Premiere Pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can exactly remove any kinds of object from video in both of them. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as always, open Premiere Pro and import the video here. Drag it into the timeline and let's just have a preview of the video first. For tutorial purpose, I'm just gonna trim it right here. Now watch the object carefully you wanna remove. With the clip selected, go to Effects Control panel. And if you don't see it, go to Windows and Effects Control. In the opacity section, select the pen tool. You can also use the ellipse tool and the rectangle tool too, but I always prefer the pen tool. For now, turn up the opacity and draw a mask around the object. It doesn't have to be precise, but try to draw a proper mask. After that, feather it quite a bit and track the mask properly. Once it's done, click on Invert and duplicate the clip by holding Alt and drag it on top of it. Now turn back on the opacity of both clips and select the bottom layer and delete the mask from there. You might ask me now that it's still the same video as it was before. Well, just hold on a sec. In the timeline, just select the slip tool or press Y on your keyboard. And with the slip tool selected, select the bottom layer and find out exactly where the object is not visible in that mask. Now what about the object that's not moving? Well, that's very simple. First, draw a mask around the object. And duplicate the clip by holding Alt and the left mouse key. Now the top layer selected, press Shift on your keyboard and drag the mask to empty space. Now adjust the position so the mask is covered with the empty space. And don't forget to turn off the opacity in the bottom layer. But it doesn't look good. Well, we can easily fix that by adding lumetri color in the top layer. And here's the result. Now let's move to After Effects. Again, import the video here and drag it into the timeline. Now in the After Effects, it's a little bit easy to do it. Here simply duplicate the clip by holding Ctrl D, and for this tutorial again I'm just gonna trim it right here by pressing Ctrl, Shift and D and delete this layer. Now draw a mask around the object. And don't forget to set the marks to subtract. On the right side you can see some options. And if you scroll down, you can see here content aware fill. And if you don't see it, go to Windows and content aware fill. Now with the tablet selected, click on content aware fill and click on generate fill layer. And here you can use these tools to modify your video. You can also select it only for your work area. And I'm telling you, it's gonna take a lot of time. In my case, I only used I think 6 seconds of video and it took me I think 40 minutes to do it. But the result is way too much better than Premiere Pro. If you are doing it for personal purpose, then I would suggest you to do it on Premiere Pro. But if you are doing it in production level or for a company, then I would suggest you to do it on After Effects as it gives you a better result. So if you have a complex background like this one, then you might get some weird results. But if you have a plain textured background, then I think you will get the best result. So this is how you can easily remove any kinds of objects from video. And if you find this video helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get interesting videos like this. My name is Simon and I will see you in the next one.